Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Epson L1300 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear. Okay, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, you just have to wait until everything are set before we proceed. And once the search bar is available here at the center, please type for Epson space L1300 printer space driver. Once you've typed it, please click on enter to proceed. So you would be able to see a list of results. Please choose this one. Okay, click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be redirected to this Epson L1300. We just have to scroll down. Okay. And under the list, you need to proceed on this downloads. Now, the moment you click on it, we just have to wait until an attachment file would be available for us. Okay. So for operating system, please click this down arrow key. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see all of the operating system that you can choose to. And since we have Windows 11, then we need to select for Windows 11 and click on Go to search for it. Now please scroll down once again. Okay. And from here, please click on Downloads. And the moment you do it, please click on this drivers and you will be able to see a printer driver for 64-bit. So please click on this download option. Okay. And the moment you do it, it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Please click on accept to start on the downloading process. Eventually it will start. Please click on keep so that you can start on downloading. So please click on this first tab. Okay. Go with other software. Okay. And please click on this Epson Easy Photo Print for Windows. Click on this download option aligning to it also. Go with accept to accept the license agreement and eventually it will start on downloading as well. So click on keep so that it will be eventually starting. So we just have to wait until these two files are being downloaded before we proceed. Once the two files are being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder. Okay. And from here, you need to select the to application, click this cut icon, close the window as well as this. And here at the desktop, please do a right click and go with the paste icon. So once you have pasted the to file, okay, you need to proceed on the extraction of this first file, which is our Epson L1300. So please do a right click and you need to scroll down. Okay, we just have to wait until this would be ready. And once it is being ready, please select on extract to L1300. So wait until a new file would be created here at the desktop. Okay. And if no file folder is being shown here at the desktop, don't worry. Just bring up your File Explorer. Please click on it. Go with the desktop and check if it's being extracted here. So in my case, yes. In your case, it will be appearing also there. So close the window and proceed to the next method. The next method would be you need to do a right click here at the start icon and then scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So here, please proceed at the left side of that and choose for Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices tab, you need to proceed with devices, and please scroll down and locate for more devices and printer settings. So eventually this window would pop up, which is our devices and printers. Here, please navigate to the upper left side of that. You can see there, add a printer. Please click on it. And the moment you do it, this window would show. So here, please click on the printer that I want is enlisted and go with add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click this down arrow and please use the USB port of this among of these three. It could be USB 001, USB 002, or USB 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Please click on next. Go with have disk. Okay, and click on browse. So from here, we need to navigate to our desktop. So we need to proceed with the desktop and we need to scroll down, select with L1300, double tap to it, proceed with this one, double tapped. Okay, and it will show you the driver. So please click on open, click on OK, and it will be added here. Please click on next. And you can rename that into Epson L1300. Click on next and eventually it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait until the process would be finished. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can proceed or you can continue on the installation. So from here, please click on next. Okay. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L1300 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this and proceed to the installation of this one. Okay, please double tap to it. And if your user account control would ask you to install this AC Photo Print, please click on yes so that you can now start on this installation. Okay, so it's now preparing to install. So we just have to click on next. Okay, and accept the terms of license agreement. Click on next, go with next, and it will now installing this easy Epson Easy Photo Print. You just have to wait for a while since we're almost there. So that's it. We have just successfully installed this one. Click on finished and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.